Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2009 Chrysler Town & Country Limited. This one has the 4-liter 251 horsepower V6 and also something pretty cool that I don't think exists anymore. It's called the Swivel and Go. I'm sure you've heard of Stow and Go. This is kind of one step above that. These rear seats with their moldy seat belts will you can't tell this is an auction car, will sit and turn, and you can, like a boat, put a table in here and eat lunch on the side of the road. So you go and unlock and you can swivel these seats. Obviously you want to move this forward, but you can sit there and swivel the seats. So if you want to sit here, watch a kid's game. Something that I don't think exists anymore, and I kind of wish it did. It's just such a cool little feature. That side does it as well. Thing's got a little bit of rust on her, nothing too bad. It's a New England car after all. Front suspension's seen better days, that's for sure. So has the driver's seat, but you know what? It runs and it drives. That's all I really care about for these things. It's freezing cold in here. You do have heated seats, which is very nice. Do you have nav? Heh, you have nav. That's pretty cool. Sunroof. How moldy are you? Oh, you're not moldy. Suede on the back of the, it's so funny because back in 09 this was luxury. That was back when fake wood was a thing, and if this is real wood it looks really fake. But let's go for a ride. 6-speed auto, clunky front suspension, 133,000 miles on the clock. It's so funny, this platform remained, oh man, the Dodge Grand Caravan might either just exited or is still in production. I think it exited production in like 2019, 2020. So Dodge has a very long product cycle. FCA, Stellantis, they have a very long product life. These tires are pretty chopped and noisy too, you'll probably hear. I'm not gonna push this thing just because it's 133,000 miles. I don't know what's about to go on it, so I'm not going to accelerate that process by accelerating. Hey, low fuel. I was wondering when that light was going to show up. pretty sure these things continued to use this 6-speed all the way to the end. I don't think they ever put an 8-speed in these. When I talk about these, I'm talking about the Grand Caravan. It's largely the same. I've always said a Town and Country is just a Grand Caravan with nice leather, and that's exactly what they really are. I have to say that fuel needle has dropped dramatically from when I started this thing, and I'm genuinely concerned about getting back to the store. For a front-wheel drive platform, that's pretty good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.